Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix cannot connect to iTunes Store in iPhone or iPad. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you are having an issue to connect with iTunes, let's see how can you fix that issue. So the very first thing, you have to make sure that you have a strongest internet connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular, and you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. So open settings, go for general, go for VPN and device management, and here you have to make sure that you haven't connected any VPN, or if you are connected, try to disconnect with that. And after that, you just have to scroll down, and here you'll get the option of software update. Select that, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software update available, or if you have anyone, try to update your software. And then go for iPhone storage, and here you have to make sure that you haven't enough storage, or if you haven't enough storage here, so you must have to delete anything from your memory or storage, and now go back, and here you just have to go for transfer reset iPhone. Select reset network settings, enter your passcode, and you have to select the reset network setting in the pop-up menu, and all of your network setting will be resetted. It will not delete your data, so you can easily try this. And after that, you just have to go back and retry to connect with your iTunes store, or if you are still having the same issue, so you just have to open up your browser, and here you have to simply search for support.apple.com, and here you have to select your device, and then you just have to scroll down and look for the option of get support. Once you get the option of get support, you have to select the start now option here, and here you just have to scroll down and look for the option of more, and now scroll down until you find iTunes store. Here's that, you just have to select that, and then select the continue option here, and here you'll get the option of if you can't connect to the App Store, iTunes Store, or the Apple services, you have to select that option. And here you will get the fix or the issue you are having. You just have to select the issue which you are having here, and here you will get the official help. Or if you can't find help here, you can contact to Apple Support Help team to fix your issue. So in this way, you can easily fix if you cannot connect to iTunes Store. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.